Okay. I hope screen is visible to you. Okay. Uh, so first question, like we are going to be learn AWS. What is the full form of AWS? It is Amazon Web Service, right? It is Amazon Web Service. So first thing we need to know what is infra, right? What is infra? What is infrastructure? We already know, right? We have already discussed regarding this. What is infrastructure? I told you about the school infrastructure. I told you about the hotel infrastructure, right? What all are the tools infrastructure like boards, tables, chairs, markers, right? But what all are the hotel infrastructure? Building, power, air conditioner, tables, chairs, plates, spoons, right? What all are the IT infrastructures we see? Machines, web servers, application servers, database servers, load balancer, network, power, storage, security, monitoring. These all are called IT infrastructure, as we discussed already. So, what is infrastructure in cloud? In cloud, what all things are going to make one service? That is nothing but the way of infrastructure, right? So, as part of our DevOps tool, we are going to use one infrastructure as a code tool, right? That is nothing but Terraform. Okay. Many other tools are also there, but we are going to use Terraform. Okay. There is a cloud permission in AWS. AWS is providing cloud permission, right? If you know, it is used for creating the AWS infrastructures. Why then Terraform? We'll discuss that all things in Terraform class. So now my requirement is what is infrastructure? As we know, there are two types of infrastructure, right? What what all are they? One is on-premise infrastructure, on-premise infrastructure, and another one is cloud infrastructure, right? Cloud infra. What is on-premise infrastructure? We know, right? On-premise infrastructure is something like you need to you need to purchase everything, right? You need to purchase everything. You need to set up everything, right? Then you need to manage everything. All the things are doing manually from your side. That is nothing but the uh, on infrastructure, right? On infrastructure, on infrastructure. What is cloud infrastructure, right? So cloud infrastructure is something like where there are several servers, right? There are several companies ready to provide infrastructure for rent as pay as you go model basis, right? There are several companies, right? They are providing the services. What service? They are providing services on pay as you go model basis, right? That we know already. We discussed already, right? So what all are the cloud platforms? What all are the cloud platforms we know? What all are the cloud platforms we know?
AWS, Azure, GCP.
Okay. AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle, Salesforce, Alibaba, right? These all. It is. Okay, these all are the cloud platforms we know. Okay, now tell me what is cloud computing? Okay, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is something like it is on demand. It is on demand delivery of IT resources over the internet as pay you as pay you as go model basis. Okay, or pricing. Okay, this is nothing but the cloud computing. This is the small definition. If you'll go to the internet, you can get the correct. Not correct. This is also correct. But if you want a strong professional meaning of this cloud computing, you can go to Google. Let me ask to Google. Hey Google, can you please tell me? Let me go to Chat GPT. Let me ask here. Let me use Copilot here. What is cloud computing? Okay. Let me ask to Copilot. It will reply. It is verifying. Let me verify as a human. Okay. If you'll see, it is coming with the results. Everything is there, right? Everything. You can learn. Here, see, what is cloud computing means? Definition. Cloud computing is a paradigm for enabling network access to scalable and elastic pool of shareable resource, physical or virtual. Okay, and you can get the ideas on it. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytic over the internet. What I told you, the cloud, allowing the user to access resources on demand without owning the physical infrastructure. What you are getting here, we are getting the cloud things, right? We are not dealing with the physical infra. We are dealing with the cloud. Let me go to second step. What all are the advantages? Okay, let me go to the paint. Let me explain you diagram. Okay, suppose this is cloud. Okay, this is a cloud. Suppose this is AWS cloud. Okay, AWS cloud. Okay, okay. First advantage. What all are the advantages we have? If you know, we have a concept pay as you go. Pay as pay as you go. First advantage we have pay as you go. Okay. What is this pay as you go? Whatever service you are going to be used, okay, you only pay for that. Clear? What is pay as you go? Whatever service, let me mention here as well. Advantages of cloud computing. Sorry, I'm having cold. Okay. So first advantage, what I told you, pay as you. What it means? Whatever, whatever the service you use from provider, okay, you only needs to pay for that, right? Whatever service you are going, okay. No need to invest crores of money now. Get it? Purchase the infrastructure. Understood? Understood or not?
Yeah, understand.
Okay. Give me a minute. Coming. Okay. So next, what is the next point? Yeah. So next point, next advantage point is something called low cost. Okay. Low cost. Let me type low cost. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Second point is low cost. Let me type here. Low cost. Okay. Okay. Let me type everything first. Then we'll discuss all these things. Okay, one by one. Low cost is there. Then there is a scalability. Excuse me. Give me a minute. Okay. Scalability. Then what is the next advantage? That is availability. Okay. Availability. Then what is the advantage? Security we have, right? Security. SCURITY. Okay. Security we have. Then what is the advantage? Also we have unlimited, sorry, unlimited of storage. Okay. We can use unlimited storage in cloud. Then what is the advantage we have? We have backup. Okay. Then any other advantage we have? Mostly I cover. Okay. Reliability I have mentioned? No. So reliability also there. Okay. Reliability. Let me explain to you what all this. Okay. First is pay as you go. Pay as you go, we understood, right? Whatever we are going to be used from the services, we need to pay only for that. Low cost, let me mention low cost. Low cost is what is low cost? Low cost is something like only rent you need to be pay, you need to pay, that is minimal, minimal rent of rent, and cost is low. Okay, and cost is low as compared to the physical servers. Correct? Okay. Third thing what we understood, let me come to here. Second one, scalability. Third one what we understood, this one, scalability. What is scalability? Let me come back to here. Mention scalability. Scala SC Scala. Okay, scalability. What is scalability? Understand first concept. Okay, whenever you want, you can take the resources, and whenever you don't want, you can return them. That is the scalability functionality. Whenever, whenever you want, you can take the resource, and whenever you don't want, don't you can you can you can return them. Clear? Whenever you want, you can take the resources, and whenever you don't want, you can return them. Right? This is all about scalability. Okay, clear? Okay, what is availability? Let me see. What is availability? Okay, what is availability? Tell me. It is the resources. The resources. The resources are available. Will be available 24 into 7 every time, 24 by 7, right? To run your business. Here, so every time it is available, right? Okay. What is the next point? Advantage, security. Okay. Okay. What about the security? What about the security? The security will be provided by the cloud providers. They will take care of this. All the security, all the security part, all the security part, they are going to take care of it. They are going to, they will, they will take care of it. Okay. Security part, they will take care because we are going to pay, right? We are paying and we are taking the resources. It is now their headache, right? It is now their work to secure our application, right? Okay. Let me see next, unlimited storage. Okay, unlimited storage. Let me come back here. Unlimited storage. Okay, so what is all about unlimited storage? Providers will provide you unlimited storage service. Okay, where you can store unlimited of data. Okay, where we'll store unlimited of data. Clear? Oh, let me understand the backup. Okay, backup. What about backup? Backup. Providers will provide you. Providers will provide you backup also. Okay, they will provide you backup also. Right? Okay. What is the last thing? Reliability. We missed, right? What is reliability? Okay. What is reliability? Reliability is something like providers will provide you longer time, strong infra. Okay, they will provide you long time, strong infra. Okay, hope it is clear for you. I have discussed 8 advantages of cloud. Any doubt? Any doubt
Yeah,
here?
it's clear.
Okay, this is all about what all are these? These are cloud adva. Okay, cloud advantages. Okay, clear? Okay. So let me discuss again. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. Whatever resource we are going to be use, we need to pay for that. Low cost. Low cost is something like we are going to be pay minimal cost, right? Scalability. So whenever we want, we can take the resources, and whenever we don't want, we can return them. Availability. The resources will be available 24 by 7 hours. Okay. Security. Cloud will be take care of security as well. Unlimited storage. There are some services, right? In the AWS, there are some services who are going to be take care of our storage, and they will provide you unlimited storage. And as part of our course, we will be going to learn one service called S3, Simple Storage Service. In part of that, we will be going to be learn how to store unlimited data in the AWS. Okay, as part of backup. Okay, backup. How AWS will be going to be provide backup? There is a concept in AWS when we will be learn EC2. There is a concept in EBS snapshot. Okay, snapshots are something. When we will be learn more, we can understand that. Okay, reliability is something like this EC2, this S3, these all services, right? What all service they are providing, right? That all should be long time strong infrastructure based. Okay, long time strong infrastructure based service they are going to be provided. Clear? Hope it is clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, okay, let me jump to the next point. Okay, cloud service models. Okay, what is it? Cloud service model. Let me go to the page. Let me type some diagram. me type cloud service models. Okay. 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 What are the cloud service models we have? There is a model called AS, IASS, AS, and there is model PAS, and there is model sorry PAA, sorry PASS, IAAS, sorry, and SAS. Okay. What is AS? Let me tell you. It is infrastructure as a service. What is as? Infrastructure as a service. Okay, this is the first one. What is PaaS? Let me see. PaaS is something platform as a service. PaaS. IaaS. See the first character. Infra I as a services. It is as like PaaS, and there is something SaaS. SaaS is what? Can you guess? It is software as a service. Okay. Software as a service. Let me explain more about this. Okay. There are three types of service we know. As, and then there is another service which is called PaaS. There is another service which is called SaaS. Okay. As, PaaS, SaaS. These all three R's belongs to cloud service models. Okay. Okay. Let me clear it for you so you can understand. Okay. Okay. Let me mention here. What do we see? As, PaaS, and SaaS. What is as? What is as?
Infrastructure as a
Infra
service.
as a service. Uh, Spelling something. Infra structure. Okay. Infrastructure as a service. Platform as a service. Then software.
Software as a service.
Okay. What is SaaS then? Let me start with SaaS. Okay. From last one once we'll start. What is SaaS? SaaS is software as a service. Okay. Let me explain what is SaaS. SaaS is something like provider is there, right? SaaS provider will provide you their application. Will provide you their application to access. You need to use for run your business. Okay. So they will provide you, SaaS providers will provide you their application to access you. Okay. And you need to take that and you need to run your business. Okay. They will, they will take care of development, infrastructure, huh? They will take care of development, infrastructure, maintenance. Okay. They will take care of your development, infrastructure, and maintenance. What all are they? Any example? Yes, we have. We have a Salesforce. We have Zoom. We have Teams. Right? These all are the software as a service. Zoom is providing you the software, right? You are going to use directly, right? They are providing the packages. You are going to install that package and you are using. See, Teams and Salesforce is just like same. Oh, hope it is clear. Right? Okay. Let me go to PaaS. Okay. Platform as a service. Okay. What is PaaS? Platform as a service. Let me mention here. Platform as a service. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Platform as a service. Here what will be provider will give you the platform to run our application. Okay. Provider will give you the platform to run your application. What is the difference then? SaaS and PaaS. Here provider will provide you the platform to run your business or run your application. Provider will take care of what? Provider will take care of development of your application. Okay. Then development application. Okay. Development application. Okay. Development application. You need to you need to develop the application. Okay. You need to develop the application. Okay. And provider will be take care of your development applications. Okay. What are the services? Those are what all? Example, we have a service in AWS Beanstalk. Beanstalk. We'll be learning. Okay. We'll be learning this one. AWS Beanstalk. Okay. It will take care of server, operating systems, networks, security. Okay. It is clear. There is another one, IaaS. IaaS. What is IaaS? What is IaaS? Infrastructure as a service. Okay. So what will be happen here? Provider will be give infra. Okay. Provider will give infra. Okay. What infra? Infra means machine, storage, network. These all will be provided by provider. Okay. What your responsibility? You need to prepare. You need to prepare platform. Then you need to maintain infra. Okay. You need to run code. Okay. What all are the examples? AWS, Azure, AWS, Azure, GCP. Those are you clear? Now tell me, AWS is which type of cloud? It is AAS, PaaS or SaaS?
As.
Why we are using infrastructure then? Are you clear?
Yeah. So, pass also you wrote AWS, no? AWS bin stack is different, AWS different, right?
AWS Beanstalk is a service in AWS which is providing these all things. Clear? Clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
That is different thing developed by AWS.
Okay.
Okay?
Clear.
Suppose there is a ice cream company. Okay? They are adding, they are also creating some ice cream cake. Okay? That is, cake is the different thing, right? It is not included by ice cream, right? But they are creating, right? That is a different thing, right? Ice cream is different, cake is different, but they are creating. Okay, same like they have created one service called AWS Beanstalk, which is PaaS platform. Okay, that's it, different than AWS. Clear? Okay, let me explain you more. Let me go to region concept, regions and avail availability. What is region? What is region? It is nothing but it is nothing but a geographical location. Okay, Hyderabad is a region. What is Hyderabad? Hyderabad is a geographical location. Mumbai is a region, right? Mumbai is a region. What is Mumbai? Mumbai is a geographical location in India. Same like that. AWS having how many regions? Let me check in Google. Okay, we'll check in AWS website. So what is availability? Okay, let me first see how many regions we have. Let me go to here, AWS regions. Okay, see here first link is there, global infrastructure region and availability zone. Okay, let me go to the official website. Let me go down. Let me see. See, are you able to see the diagram? Let me check here. Okay, let me go to see North America, South America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific. Okay, let me go to Asia Pacific. Okay, when I click around Asia Pacific, are you able to see Hyderabad somewhere or Mumbai somewhere? Are you? See, it is belongs to Asia Pacific. Okay, so let me see. This is India, right? Let me close this one. Are you able to see India? See, this is India,
Yeah.
right? This is Hyderabad and this is Mumbai.
Yeah, yeah.
So in India, there is two regions. One is in India, one is in Hyderabad, one is in
Yeah.
Mumbai.
Yes.
In globe, there are many. Okay, China hub. The see here, what it is coming? Asia Pacific, Hyderabad. Samely in China, it is Exosia something. And here, this is something other country. This is also belong to China. Beijing something.
Yeah.
Okay, this is something Asia Pacific.
Basically,
It is Hong Kong. Hong
Hong Kong.
Kong. There is a region
Hong
in
Kong.
Hong Kong as well. You can see here Thailand also having the region. Here something Telepil. Here it is something Seoul, Osaka. Okay,
Taipei.
it is Toyota, Toyo, Tokyo. Let me go here. Here it is Mumbai. Here it is something UAE. Here it is something.
Tokyo.
So whole India, whole world having AWS. Are you able to see? They have launched everywhere the
Yeah,
services
yeah.
mostly. Okay. Are you clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Let me go a little down and let me show you something. See, this is let me show you region. Are you able to see? Region. AWS has the concept of region, which is a physical location around the world where we cluster data centers. Okay, it means why region is a geographical location where the data centers they have created. Okay, who created AWS? Each AWS region consists of minimum of three isolated and physically separated availability zones within a geographic area. Okay, you can read this document. Okay, whenever you will free. Okay, availability zone is there. Let me go. Local zone is there. Okay, okay. These all are things are there. This is AWS document. Okay, let me copy this URL and let me paste it here as well. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Official document. Official document. Okay. You can take the URL and paste it and you can check it. Okay. Let me come back to here. What is region? It is nothing but a geographical location. Clear? It is nothing but
Yeah, clear.
geographical location.
Geographical location.
Then tell me how many regions are available in India? Tell me.
Two. Hyderabad and Mumbai.
Correct. There are two regions in India. What are? First is Hyderabad Second one is Mumbai. Clear? Clear? Let me go again to the page. See, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, first read, read what it is mentioned. Please read once. The AWS spans 120 availability zones with 38 geographical regions in world. We see one. Huh? We see two regions in India, right? One is Hyderabad and one is Mumbai. So in world, how many regions are there? 38. Okay. With around plans of 10 more availability zones and 3 more regions. Okay. Just keep about the availability zone now. So total in world, how many geographical location, geographic regions available? How many regions available? 38. How many more are coming? 3 are in plan. Okay, 3 are in pipeline. Where it will become? It will come. Which all are in plan? Saudi Arabia, China, and AWS European somewhere like Sovereign. Okay, cloud. This is the place name. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay. Let me come back to here again. Let me show you. Hello? Am I audible to you? Hello? Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Okay. See. Let me little down. An availability zone is one or more data centers with. Let me skip this one. You can read your own. Okay. For now, I will explain you shortly. Okay. Okay. So in region, in region, minimum one availability zone to three availability zone you can create. Okay. Maximum. Okay. What is availability zone? What is availability zone? Let me show you. See, you are from Hyderabad, right? You are from Hyderabad, right? So see, see this. What it means? Availability zone contains data centers. Okay, availability zone contains data centers. See, this one is AWS availability zone. Okay, and it is something mentioned in Telugu. You can read this, right? What it is mentioned?
తెలుగులో
What it is mentioned?
the availability zones in Telugu. It's
Uh,
showing Telugu.
correct. So let me show you
Yeah.
this one. See, suppose there is two regions. AWS region is one is in Hyderabad and one is in Mumbai. So see, in one region there can be minimum of one or maximum of three availability zones. Okay, clear, clear or not?
Yeah, clear, clear.
Okay, let me come to the point. Okay, minimum. So how many availability zones having Hyderabad? Three. How many having
Three.
Mumbai?
Three.
Three. Let me see here. Let me ask to Google how many availability zone available in Hyderabad AWS. Okay. There are three availability zones. The Hyderabad AWS region consists of three availability zones. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Let me ask for Mumbai. How many availability zone is there?
Three.
The AWS Asia Pacific Mobile Region launched in 2016. Provides enterprise setup. Availability zone was how many it is where it is mentioned. How many total? Mention three. Okay. AWS Asia Pacific Mumbai region currently has three availability zones. Okay. Okay. Hope it is clear. So this is also having three availability zones. Okay. So what is region? What is availability zone? I think you have cleared, right?
Yeah.
Sure. Availability zone, and this is also availability zone. So let me mention availability. Okay. Availability zone. What is availability zone then? Availability zone is something like data centers. If anyone will ask you how many in Hyderabad region, how many data centers are available? It means how many availability zones are available. Okay.
Yeah.
What is
Three.
a data center? Data center means server rooms.
Yeah.
Okay. These are nothing but server rooms. Okay. Total how many total availability zone is available in global?
Availability zone. 120 availability zones.
Hmm.
38 regions. Okay.
Clear.
Yeah.
So how many are availability zones available in India? Tell me now.
Six.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me show you a diagram. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Suppose we are discussing about Mumbai availability or Hyderabad region. Okay. Hyderabad region is something like uh, let me see. Region. Hydra, Hyderabad region availability zone names name list. Right. Let me name here. What city is coming? It should be. It should be. Let me see. Local zones. What it is mentioned. regions and availability zones. Here it is the unavailability zone. Local zones are available. I'll explain you what is local zone. Hey, see, this is for the Virginia. This is for the Ohio. Let me go down. Let me go down. Where is Hyderabad one? I just want to know. AWS regions and availability zones. I think. Let me see here. Hyderabad. See, Mumbai is there. Okay. Let me check about Hyderabad. Where is H? Hyderabad. I think I missed somewhere Hyderabad. Mumbai is there. Huh. Here, see, Hyderabad. AP South 2. Okay.
Yeah.
AP South 2. For Asia Pacific, it is AP South 1.
Yeah.
For Hyderabad, it is AP South 2. Clear? How many availability zones are available in India? 3.
In India, six.
No, no, in Hyderabad, sorry. 3.
Yeah, three.
Okay, it is under the Asia Pacific and name is
AP
what?
South one.
Code is AP
AP
South
South two.
2. Clear?
Yeah.
AP South 2. Suppose, suppose I will be going to create, okay, let me add AP South 2. Okay, suppose we are creating some service, okay, inside the AP South 2. How to create? Suppose, see, we are inside the now Hyderabad region. Okay, this region is Hyderabad. Okay, inside the Hyderabad, how many availability zone we have?
Three.
3. So this first availability zone, this first availability zone and second availability zone, right? Having the distance between them, having the distance between them is something like 100 kilometers. Okay, how many kilometers? 100 kilometers.
100.
One availability, one server room and another server room distance is how many?
100 kilometers.
Clear?
Yeah.
Something it is in one location, something it is in another location, and something it is in different location than 100 kilometers. Clear? First code is something. So Hyderabad region code is AP South 2.
Yeah.
So first server room we need to specify where it is specified AP South
South two.
2A. It will come. Okay, first one.
Yeah.
So tell me for the second one what it will become? We are going to be
AP
use
South 2B.
correct. Clear?
Yeah.
So third one AP South
AP South 2C.
understood.
Yeah.
So what is region and what is availability zone? Okay. So when we are using AWS portal, right? You are seeing here region,
Yeah, yeah, reason.
right? So if
Yeah.
you'll see inside the region, there are 3 availability zones. When we are creating something, suppose we are creating something, some service like S3, we are creating where? We need to see. We are creating inside the Hyderabad region, right? And while creating this one, suppose we are creating one EC2 machine, right?
Yeah.
Here it is asking where you want to create. We need to select first the region. We are creating inside the Hyderabad. While creating this one, it is asking in where which availability zone you are creating. There you need to specify. Are you creating inside the AP South 2A or AP South 2B or AP South 2C? Okay, clear. So why this is 3. Suppose some case, in case, so first distance with second availability zone distance and third availability zone distance is how much? It is something more than 100 kilometers. Okay. Suppose something happened. Our application is running inside two-way. Clear? Suppose we have created a EC2 machine inside the two-way and something happened here in this location. What happened? Something storm happened. Storm means heavy rain or flood happened or this availability zone gone. Clear? Due to some issues, it is gone. Gone means it is some fire done or something disaster done. Okay, heavy rain done. Okay, so we are not getting access to our application now. So what will be happen? AWS will be manage this situation. The AWS will be push this application to second availability. Okay, from there we can access our application. That is the internal part of AWS. Clear? Understood? Hello. Hello. Am I audible to you? Hello. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah, AWS.
You understood, right? The concept?
Yeah, understood.
For now, this much is fine, right?
Yeah.
Or should I go more?
Then next, which topic you are going to teach?
See, after this, I'll be going to tell you what are services inside the AWS, okay, and what we are going to be learn. Okay, I'll cover up the AWS services after this, and what is the use of those services, I'll tell you, and we'll start one by one services. Okay.
Okay. So yesterday I did that. You